Hi, I'm David Bulluck of the Ask David Bulluck Show. And one of the topics that I want to cover today is what is uninsured motorist coverage? It's a question I get a whole bunch, so let me explain to you what it is and why it's important. So people all the time, they come in here and I say, what type of coverage do you have on your auto insurance? And they say, I got full coverage. Full coverage does not mean you have uninsured motorist coverage. Full coverage usually means you have property damage, which property damage covers whatever you hit, not your car. It means that you have PIP, personal injury protection, or no fault benefits, which if you get injured regardless of fault, that's why it's called no fault, that'll cover your medical bills up to $10,000. And bodily injury coverage, BI. Bodily injury is if you cause injury to someone else, then in the state of Florida you have to have $10,000 in coverage. However, the loophole is that to get your tag with a DMV, you only have to show proof of PIP and property damage. You don't have to show that you have bodily injury coverage. So if someone hits you, they say they have insurance, you're injured, you then go to make a claim for your injuries against their insurance, and they say, wait a minute, we don't have BI, we don't have bodily injury. You're out of luck, unfortunately. That's why uninsured motorist coverage, it stands in the shoes of the at-fault driver. That's the phrase that's used in the case law, stands in the shoes of the at-fault driver. And even though it's your auto insurance company, it becomes adversarial, where they act like the insurance company for the defendant that's at fault, and you then are able to make a claim against them for your injuries caused from that at-fault driver who either had no bodily injury coverage or didn't have enough to cover you for the damages that you've sustained because of your injuries. I think coverage is crucial. I think everybody should have it. And there's one reason why I think you should have it, and it's very simple, which is that you can never control who is going to hit you. You can't control what type of coverage the other person has. The only thing that you can control is your preparation to know what coverage you have so that you and your family are protected in the event you might be involved in an accident. So double check your policies, make sure that you have uninsured motorist coverage. And if you don't have it, I suggest that you add it. And if you have any more questions about it, feel free to comment or ask below. I'm happy to answer them. And also send me any of your other questions because I want to make sure you stay informed on the law. I'm David Bulluck of the Ask David Bulluck Show.